Hey YouTubers, this is Malcolm Oliver from YouTube Corner HD and your weather reporter. Welcome back to the YouTube Corner weather. So right now on Tuesday at 5 a.m., cloudy, 39 degrees. Precipitation, 8%. Humidity, 67%. And wind, 7 miles per hour. (8 a.m. is going to be snow. 11 a.m. is going to be rain. Snow at 5 p.m. And I think that's it. But tomorrow's going to be Wednesday's snow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Wednesday snow. Thursday partly cloudy. Friday partly cloudy. Saturday sun. Sunday cloud. Monday partly cloudy, and Tuesday rain. Alright, so I think on Saturday you might want to go rail fan. Alright, it's either A, you go rail fan, or B, not rail fan. Alright, you have to figure out. You have to check the weather. I'll have more updates sometimes. Alright, so thanks so much for stopping by. I'm the weather reporter Malcolm Oliver, and I'll have more updates until further notice. Thanks for watching.